So here we have the uScope. I'm going to go ahead and save a reference waveform and recall it and do the menu process so that way you can see it. So I have a secondary ignition waveform that I'm pulling off of this signal generator here. And what we'll do is I'm going to go ahead and save it. I'm going to go over here to menu, go down to preset, or excuse me, go down to file SD, hit OK. You're going to have two options, save as image and save to user file. Save as image will save it as a JPEG or a bitmap. Excuse me, it's a bitmap. So you can see the image on your PC, but you cannot recall it within the scope. Save to user file will save the preset, but you cannot view it on your PC yet. So for this example, we're going to go ahead and save it to user file. This is what you need to use in order to recall a preset within the scope. You have to pay attention to the number that's up here, because when you're ready to recall it, you have to recall the right number. In this case, it's 039.AES. So I'm going to go ahead and hit OK and hold it, and you'll see the load. It'll turn green here. That means that it saved it. And once it switches to the next number, that means it's already stored in the memory. So at this point, in order for me to recall it, what I'll do is I'm going to go ahead and unplug the scope just to get rid of the signal. And I'm going to go ahead and recall it by going over to my menu. I'll go up to presets, hit OK, go down to user setups, and if you notice here, if you go left and right, this is where all your files that you saved will be at. So for this example, we saved it under 039.AES. I'm going to press and hold the OK button until it loads, and there's my reference waveform. Now if I plug the scope back in, we'll see our waveform, and then we'll see the reference waveform in the background. Now, as you can tell, they're kind of imposing on top of each other, so if you want to change that, you're going to come over to menu, go up to vertical, hit OK, and you can move the ground position of the waveform or the reference vertical position. In this case, we'll move the reference vertical position, and now you can offset them. And once you're done, just hit OK, and that's it.